In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new blog in HubSpot. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating to the blog tool, starting a new post, and saving your work as a draft without missing anything important. First, begin on your HubSpot home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can quickly jump into any tool you need. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account and that you have permission to create content. That quick check helps you avoid confusion later. From the main navigation, move your cursor over the content menu, then select Blog. This takes you to the blog area where all your posts live. Here you'll see drafts, scheduled items, and published posts organized in one place. If your portal manages more than one blog, verify that the correct blog is selected so your new content lands exactly where you expect. On the blog dashboard, look for the Create button, typically at the top right. Click it to open your creation options. This is your starting point for building something new inside the blogging tool. Choose Create Blog Post to open the editor. The blog editor is designed to help you move from idea to draft smoothly. You'll notice a field for your title at the top and a large content area for your body text. As you write, keep your headline clear and specific so readers instantly understand the value. Use short paragraphs, descriptive subheadings, and concise sentences to make your post easy to scan. The toolbar lets you format text, add links, and insert images or videos. When adding visuals, include descriptive alt text to support accessibility and search engines. Keep your tone consistent with your brand and aim for clarity first. You can always refine stylistic details after the draft is in place. As you build out the post, consider a brief introduction that sets context, body sections that deliver on your headline's promise, and a conclusion that reinforces the key takeaway. If you reference data or sources, make those links clear and relevant. Remember, HubSpot's editor is flexible, so you can reorganize sections as your ideas take shape. When you're happy with the content in the editor, click Save. This action stores your work as a draft, so you can step away and return later without losing progress. Saving does not publish your post, which is helpful if you still plan to review, gather feedback, or finalize details. You can revisit this draft anytime from the blog dashboard to continue editing, refine formatting, or prepare it for your next steps.